I am Dr. Sudhir Kumar Tevatia. First of all, I must thank you that you have elected me to the Executive Committee of IIT Delhi Alumni Association. My brief introduction is that I did my BTech in Civil Engineering from IIT Delhi in 1984. Thereafter, I did my MTech Masters from IIT Roorkee in Water Resources Development. I did my PhD from Delhi University. At present, I am Vice Chancellor of Lingaya University, Faridabad. I am also the Professor of Civil Engineering and Foreign Collaborations in the Ministry of Higher Education and Science and Technology, Government of Ethiopia. So my aim for coming to EC remains as it is, as I told earlier before voting. IITs were created by Pandit Nehru, and the aim was they should be the top quality institutions of the world. They should be autonomous, best among the world, producing undergraduates as well as research scholars and technical faculty. No doubt, it needs no testimony that IITians have reached pinnacles of success worldwide, while IITs continues to produce human capital worth their weight in the gold. Some feel that somewhere down the path the vision has got blurred. Selection process of students is getting diluted. The engineering quality and the research work being produced needs improvement. The echelon of IITs compared to the world universities is receding. All stakeholders, including the students, faculty, and the alumni, are highly concerned about this. The level of these institutes was not to be stagnant. The level of these institutes needs to be continuously upgraded so that they reach a position of eminence, not only producing Nobel laureates, but having a sizable number of Nobel Prize winners as their faculty. So I will strive for that as EC member that you have elected me, all the alumni. I again must thank you for your voting. Thank you very much.